वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल. माय नेम इज़ वरदा मोरे. अगर आप मेरे चैनल पे पहली बार आए हो सो वेलकम टू माय चैनल. आज हम बात करेंगे एम कैफेन के लिप प्रोडक्ट के बारे में जो उन्होंने रिसेंटली लॉन्च किया है, जो कि है चोको लिप किट. सो लेट्स सी द प्रोडक्ट. So let's start the video. First product is Choco Lip Scrub. It contains almond oil and cocoa butter. It hydrates and moisturizes your lip. Just take little quantity of product, apply on your lip, just round 2 to 3 minutes, round circular movement, clockwise and anti-clockwise, and then wipe off. Second product is Choco Lip Balm. It contains hazelnut and almond oil. Hazelnut and almond oil heals your lip and gives hydrating and soothing effect for your lip. Just take little quantity of the product, apply to your lip and gently massage on your lip. And third is Choco Lip Sleeping Butter. It contains almond oil. It gives you a very hydrating and soothing effect and heal your cracked lips. Just take even quantity of just apply even quantity of the product on your lip and leave it for overnight. And best, and you, if you want a best result, then use twice a week. M caffeine product is 100% natural, 100% vegan and cruelty free product. This is really amazing product for your lip. And you definitely, if you love this product, if you like coffee, if you like cocoa butter, if you like almond, then you must have to use this product. It's really effective for you and for your lips. So guys, that's it for today. If you like my videos, please subscribe, share and like. So till then, take care. Bye-bye.